Hey guys, Amtrak 2022 Productions here. Okay, today we're going in to Suffolk Seaboard Passenger Train Station. I've never been in this train station before, but this is the first time I'm going to be in here. I've definitely never been in this train station when I was little, or when I was a baby. All right, here it goes.
Oh, that might be closed, buddy.
But somebody.
Hold on.
What?
It says ring the doorbell.
Where's the doorbell?
Where's the doorbell at? Oh, right here. Hey guys, come on in.
Wow. Man. Wow. Look at all these pictures. Hey, look, guys. There's a model train way out. Oh, look. It's Thomas. Hey, this looks like the... Is this the Hoot? Hey, it's the Hooterville Cannonball. A Bobber Caboose. There's the Indian Clarabelle. What is it?
First railway fatal collision with casualties in the United States.
Oh my God. Did you hear, guys? America had the first head-on collision. Well, come on, let's go see what else is in this train station. Wow. So this is what it looks like in this train station. Ooh, hey, look. There's a block train. Hey, the Little Legend That Could and the Little Red Caboose. A train station and a wooden train. Wow. Ooh. Got another train.
That's why we have that there, because
Murder on the Toy Town Express. Hey! Let's see what's in here. I've seen that. Yeah. This Norfolk Western 600. And some sort of Europe brand. Wait. I'm gonna buy this one. Oops.
Buddy, would you wear this shirt?
Oh yes.
Okay.
so I can only take cash today, ma'am, because my internet's down. I don't have any way to take a credit card. I'm so sorry.
Alright, let me figure something out here.
What I can do is, if you want something, I will set it aside for when you can come back with cash. I hope you're not traveling too far.
No, we're not, but...
I know it's inconvenient, but our internet has been down exactly 1 week.
Oh, wow.
And they've had to relay down fiber optic cable.
Hey, I can see the train tracks from in here.
Yep.
Man.
That's the CSX line right there, buddy.
Man. I can see the tracks,
Uh-huh.
but I'm inside.
We do not do checks.
Alright, let me. Where would a ATM
Or if we
person
get cash back.
or an ATM or something? Because we live in North Carolina and bank in North Carolina. Is there a cash point anywhere?
Let me use my phone to find the nearest bank.
The CSX book is cool, right, guys? Hey, there's a train drawing.
Mm-hmm.
Cemetery? Man, this is the first time I've been here. Wow. Look, there's a rail here.
We've got to go get cash, so we're going to leave this here and then come back in a few minutes, okay?
Alright.
This is a...
Let me see if I can call over to the visitor center. You know where that is? You're at the light. You're going to go 3 minutes down that way.
yes.
It's the building with the big pillars.
Yes.
I'm going to call them. I'm going to tell them exactly what you're buying.
Mm-hmm.
And then they can take a credit card over there.
Hey, that would work.
Wait, we haven't been in there before.
You're ready.
Mom, we haven't been in there.
You haven't been there?
There.
Why are you doing that?
Whoa, a bathroom? Hey, look at this. Look!
Mm-hmm.
I wonder what's in there.
For people that work here.
Wow.
You guys need to use the restroom?
No, not really. We were just taking a
Can you
tour.
go upstairs?
Wait, what? I know we can go upstairs. Alright.
Not Brenda's gonna be.
Oh. Tender. Alright. Let's see what's upstairs. Man, these are squeaky. Man, these steps are short.
Oh, it's hot out here.
Wow. There's nothing up here. Hey, I can see the tracks. Hey, look, there's a funny truck.
Mm-hmm.
Man, what kind of truck is that? Anyway, let's head back to town. Hey, look. Spikes. Man. Hey, look. Look. Take a look at this. Look. This is built in 1885. Or, look. It was built in 1938. 1885, 1902, 1930, 1940, 1953, 1968, 1970, 1990, and the present day. Wow. Oh my God.
GameCube adult.
I really didn't know it was built a long time ago. Seaboard Railroad. Oh no, abandoned. No, there.
It probably was crowded.
What's your name?
My name's Zoe.
Owen.
Okay. So it's a roundabout way, but it's like
Suffolk Seaboard Station, Railroad Museum, Suffolk in 1907, Scavenger Hunt. Remember not to touch the model when searching for objects. It is our station. Built in 1885.
I'm sorry. Oh, no. I get it.
Our station
You
is
can't
served
trust people.
until
No, I don't mean that in a bad way. I mean,
I work for the government. I have to account for everything.
oh yes.
No.
Who am I going to see?
Built this home
You're gonna go to
in
the visitor center. His
1937.
name's gonna
His
be
name was
Bert.
Star.
Alrighty. I'll go visit
I will
both.
set this aside
That
for you
is a
guys.
silly place.
Thank you guys.
Mocking
Alright, we're going to pay for this
some choice
and then come back, okay?
of style. This beautiful Greek revival home still stands and is a beautiful museum today. Well, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Okay, bye.